La 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 la, helmet day. Woo-hoo. Alright guys, Pitbikesonic here, and in today's video we are going to be opening up the HJC RPHA Sonic helmet. Now if any of you know, I've been waiting for this helmet for an extremely long time, but it has finally arrived, and this generally is the first time I've opened it. You guys saw me wearing it at the HJC bike show in November, I believe. Yeah, I think it was November in Italy. Fell in love with it there. It looked just as good as what it did in all the pictures that HJC had put in on Instagram. And today I'm going to open it and get the first look at my actual HJC Sonic helmet. Now guys, HJC haven't made this for me. I'm nowhere near big enough, let's face it. They're not going to make it for a pit bike rider. But it fits in pretty well with my brand, doesn't it? It's a Sonic helmet at the end of the day. All we've got to do is put a Pitbikesonic on the back and it looks like a Pitbikesonic helmet. So it's absolutely perfect. Thank you to Superbike Warehouse for getting this in as soon as it dropped. I've got to be one of the first people in the country to have one, and I can't wait to wear it next season, and included in Spain in about 20 days time now. So I'm really looking forward to wearing it. Hopefully it lasts a little while and I don't go chuck it down the road on the first session in Spain. But hey, let's get this box open, see what it looks like inside, and give you guys a real good look around this Sonic HJC RPHA helmet. Let's go. Right guys, so like most HJC special editions or limited edition helmets, they come with a few extras. Starting off with the box, it comes in this fancy cover. Obviously this being a Sonic one, it comes in this fancy Sonic outer cover for the box. Looks really smart. If we take the box out now, or the outer cover out of the box, then you got the traditional HJC box written there, and all on sides in matte black as well. So yeah, let's get her open. Not excited at all, guys. Open her up. Inside, got a few HJC manuals here, RPHA 11 manuals, and a nice HJC sticker as well. So we'll stick them down there. Do it so you guys can see it. So out comes the cover. So feels like there's something in here, or is it just an empty pack? Is it just a bit of cardboard with foam? It is just a bit of cardboard with foam there, just to hold the manual in. Next up in here, before we get to the helmet, let's have a look at other things. So we've got a slightly tinted visor that comes with it. This is basically, I think, as dark as you can go on the road. So a real light misted visor. Probably won't use that too much. I'll probably get Lottie to order me a full tinted visor in. Next up, we got a pin lock to stop us steaming up. So they're really vital. Best way to stop your visor from steaming up. And then next up, guys, that's it. As you can see, empty box now. Here we have the bit we've been waiting for. Comes in this very nice HJC carrier bag, or protection bag, shall we call it. But let's have a look. Ah, look at that. Doesn't just come as a HJC bag. Also has Sonic the Hedgehog written on it as well. How amazing is that? So HJC have really gone to town on this, making it look good like that. Open up, it's got another cover in it to protect it. 3, 2, 1. And there it is, guys. The HJC RPHA 11 Sonic the Hedgehog edition helmet. Look at that. How cool does that look? I'm so happy with that, guys. That looks absolutely amazing. Yeah. I'm a bit scared about wearing it. I've never had a helmet this expensive on the track. I normally buy middle of the range HJCs around tops 170 quid. I had LS2 last year, but luckily I got that on a really good deal. But to have a HJC RPHA 11 Sonic helmet, massive shout out, even though HJC haven't sponsored me in any sort of way. Massive shout out to them for doing this, because obviously this is just me, isn't it? This is just the helmet that was designed for me, and I should have always had. So we'll get a close up on it, the camera, guys. If you can see, it has really got a nice finish to it, as you can see. Really does. Real good bit of glitter to it as well. Looks really good. I'm so happy. Right, I suppose we better try it on. Now, I tried a large on in the shop of other RPHA 11s, and they fit really well. So this is a large. Let's see how she fits. I've even got a little Sonic tag on it there. Look at that. It's a buckle do up on these, not the ratchet strap. So here we go. It's even got, you can see it, it's got Sonic the Hedgehog written inside as well. Alright, so here we go. How does that look, guys? Fits like a glove. There we go. Absolutely looks mega. Will look even better when we've got the tinted visor on it, but hey ho, looks mega. Absolutely love it. Ultra comfy, as HJCs always have been for me. Obviously you have to find a helmet that really fits well for you, but I've always found HJCs fit really well for me. Yeah, an absolute gorgeous helmet. I can't wait to wear this on track and hopefully not put it down the road, but absolutely gorgeous helmet. Yeah. Now, massive shout out to Superbike Warehouse, like I said, for getting this helmet in for me. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by HJC, so there's no promotion in this video at all. But a big shout out to Superbike Warehouse. I did get this helmet for cost, but retail, this helmet is £549, so it's definitely not cheap. But hey, if there's not going to be many people wearing these, so if you want to be a bit of a one-off, or if you want a bit of a Pitbikesonic replica helmet, no one does, this is definitely the helmet for you. Yeah, it looks absolutely stunning. I'm so excited. Can't wait to wear it in Spain. Only 20 days to go till Spain now, guys, so those vlogs that you all enjoy watching will be out very soon. Right, guys, a little update on what's been going on recently. I have done a few track days up Ella Park. I was meant to vlog them, but it's so hard to vlog in the dark, and it has been so cold up there. My missus hasn't been that keen of actually doing any filming, but I'll chuck a few clips in at the end here to show you what we got up to in those sessions. There's a few clips of me going around, nothing mental. First one was wet and horrible. The second one was actually yesterday. It was cold, but it was great fun. It was dead dry. We had the R's on, and we actually set some pretty good lap times, and the bike's running absolutely mint. So it is all ready to go for Spain in about 20 days time, which I cannot wait to get out there and do some proper riding. It feels like forever since the last day of last season, so I can't wait to get riding again. Cheers, guys, for watching. We've got some more videos coming up, hopefully of unboxing my new DRC levers. And also, I've just renewed my sponsorship with Nox Body Armour. So I am going to have some Nox Handroid gloves to give away to one of you subscribers out there. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And you can have your chance of winning some Nox gloves. And I'll also be showing you my new Nox gloves and armour that I have got coming in for 2023. So guys, make sure to stay tuned and look out for that video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you for another video soon. Bye-bye.